Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and somebody left me this message on one of my videos. How do you choose a percentage for the radius of the corner tool versus the distance? I never have. I've always done just by look. So if this is a 10 by 10 square, and if we go up here and we'll unlock the, well, no, we'll lock the ratio. So all the corners, and I'm gonna go 2 inches and hit enter. So now if we go from node to node, if you take the 2 inches off and go from that node to that node, you get 6 inches left before the radius starts. Now this is a curve. I've already converted it to a curve. Same thing if you go to Windows, Dockers, corners, and if you pick just that corner and you go 2 inches, this will be 8 inches left from that node to that corner. Other than that, I've never really cared. I just go by how it looks. But that's very well, probably a pretty good idea. Percentage, 2 would be 20% of the curve would be the distance. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.